today's expiry. So as we can see, Bank Nifty is kind of held in this broad range. Roughly, we can consider 43,500 to 44,500, 1,000 point range. But when you look at the price action and running into this range, we see that you can see that price is making a high, low was range bound. It hit a higher high here. Again, it hit a higher, a low, and then it uh, made a double top scenario, kind of a double top scenario, and it made a higher low, which is still higher than this. Can consider this, but it made a lower high. This is when the first stage of weakness started in Bank Nifty's daily chart, and then post this, it broke this earlier swing and it made a lower low structure. But still, since this is in a overall still in this range, in the short term, I mean in the recent times, it is making this negative structure. Again, it tried to bounce back. Again, this is still in a lower low, and now it is kind of making a higher low. So till Bank Nifty doesn't print a higher high, at least by breaking the earlier swings, uh, Bank Nifty, there will be some pressure on Bank Nifty for sure. And then moving on one time frame lower to this, that is using a factor of five, going into the 75-minute time frame chart of Bank Nifty. Here we can see the swings more clearly. As we can see here, the price has three strong supports here, three touch points, and then almost almost you can say one, two, and three resistance point, roughly in the same range. Now, when we closely observe the price action, this was the high. You can consider this as the low. It made almost a lower high, you can say, in this range. This is also the same range, lower high, and then it printed a low. So here Bank Nifty started to go into the lower high, lower low structure. That's why Bank Nifty started to see some weakness, and then it broke this lower low also, and then went steeply to another lower low structure. It tried to bounce again till the same zone. It is in the lower high, so it continues to make lower highs and lower lows in downtrend, and hits another lower low. Now, the interesting thing which has happened here is that Bank Nifty, after breaking this immediate swing, has hit one, uh, what you can say, a higher low. You can see this is a higher low. This is a change which we are able to see in the chart, and then hits after breaking this lower high swing, it hit a higher high, right? And then today also it hit another higher high, uh, and but the lower low, I mean this low is almost the same since it is in the same zone. You can just keep a reference to this higher low. So what the Bank Nifty is trying to do is it is trying to kind of change structure from a lower high, lower low to a higher low and higher high. But we need another higher high for us to confirm this viewpoint. At least when it breaks another lower high, which is previously like considered this level. So if Bank Nifty is able to print another higher high, so then we can easily come to the conclusion that the trend is at least shifted in the 75-minute time frame in this range mode, and Bank Nifty will move towards the higher range. Now it's in the lower part of the range, and I can expect Bank Nifty to close towards the higher part of the range. And one more crucial point which we can observe in the data point is the when we observe the Fibonacci retracement which the price has taken for this recent upswing, we find that price is taking support at the point 0.5 level. So again, for this upward swing, Bank Nifty has taken support at point 0.5. So you can expect that the Bank Nifty can go on the upside if it has to change its structure. If not, then Bank Nifty, I think, might come again, might retest this also. But looking at how the structure is trying to emerge, that by Bank Nifty is making this higher low, it also protected the higher low even today in the expiry context also. So there is some bit of bias which opens up on the upside. But till Bank Nifty is held within this range. So we cannot make a strong judgment on the direction. It has to at least break out of this, a range, because a breakout on the upside would mean getting into the higher highs and higher lows, confirming the resumption of the uptrend. Uh, but we have strong support also here, so only when Bank Nifty breaks this, then we can think of the lower highs and lower lows, continuation. So till that time, the price action within this range can be very choppy. So this is what the price action currently looks like on Bank Nifty.